Ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So
this one I can do with the job. I don't get time at the job. The cover my face, calling me that. Big man, we don't get
So guys, welcome to a new vlog. What's up? So I have been in Ocho Rios for, what time is it? I don't even know. 12 hours now? Yeah, so went to the party this morning and I didn't really vlog there. I don't even know if I showed y'all what I'm wearing or anything like that, but I didn't really vlog. That was just a bug. Oh, ew. I'm not saying that it's Airbnb again. It's just not clean. The last time I stayed there was the year before, 2023, and it was decent. It wasn't like modern or anything, but it was clean. But this time around, the Airbnb is not clean. The sheets and whatever. So I'm gonna send them a message right now to let them know. It's after 11 o'clock in the night, 11 p.m. in the night, and I realized that like since evening, the sheets are not. The place is just not up to par like the last time, so I'm definitely gonna let them know. And yeah, but apart from that, I'm not going anywhere tonight, and I'm going back to Kingston tomorrow, Sunday. So that is the plan. I'm not gonna go to the other Frenchman party, so I'm just gonna head home tomorrow. But we do have plans when I reach Kingston tomorrow. I'm gonna be taking a Knutsford Express back bus up. That's a transportation. I'm gonna take that up because I did not drive and I came down with someone. And they're not leaving. Well, yeah, I came down with someone and they're already back in Kingston. So I'm gonna take like a bus up back tomorrow morning. So that is the plan. But the party today though, it was good. It wasn't bad. I had fun. The sun was crazy hot. Super hot, but the party was good nonetheless. So I just wanted to just come on and just give you guys a little updates, because I know I only showed you the party and then we're just coming from a restaurant just now. The food was it was Ocean 11 and the food is not giving. The food was just fine, you know, nothing like spectacular. Anyways, I am gonna head to bed. I'm extremely tired. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys when I get up in the morning, and yeah, I'll tell you guys what's the plan. But more than likely I'm gonna head home tomorrow, so that is the plan at this moment. We don't know if it's gonna change, but yeah. Anyways, later. So good morning, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. It's a Sunday morning and we're heading out for breakfast right now. We're just gonna go to Burger King to have some breakfast. I'm actually gonna leave Ocho today, so I booked a Knutsford bus around 3:30 this afternoon. So yeah, everyone else is gonna say, because they're going to the other party for play, which is actually one of the best parties ever. And yeah, I'm gonna head back to Kingston because I got planned. I decided not to go to the party, so I made some plans for Kingston. So that's where we're headed to later. And yeah, let's just grab some breakfast, some Burger King. A long time I eat a Burger King breakfast, so we're gonna do that ASAP. So I'll see you guys with me at Burger King.
over here.
And the pool not there, right? So we are walking in. By the way, I did not know that Columbus Heights was so huge. It is so huge, guys. You see no clothes on it? No. We're good to go. Okay, so we are at the pool, y'all. We are at the pool. Let me show you guys the gang. By the way, the sign says pool closed. This is the second pool that we're going and it's a pool closed, but we're just gonna pretend like we didn't see it because we can't be walking up and down. This place is huge.
Yeah. I came outside this shit on today, man. Came outside today, water on water. However you wanna play, choppers on choppers. I live at the bank, commas on commas. Yeah. Paper the route, Frank, hundreds on hundreds. Yeah.
What's up, guys? So I wanted to give you an update. I've been home for a long time, but I'm heading out right now. I'm heading to I Love Souls, and I wanted to show you guys the fit. Just this cute dress. I think this one Zaful. I got this from years ago, or probably Shein, I don't remember. Yeah, so tomorrow is a holiday, so we're heading out, so let's go. Yeah. I'm heading to rock climbing. You heard me, rock climbing. I'm super excited. I'm heading there solo on activity. It was supposed to be like a group thing, but yeah, you know how that goes. They can't make it, and I'm just gonna still go. So anyways, we're gonna head there. It's every Wednesdays from 7 to 9 p.m. National Arena. I'll put their Instagram page for all my local YouTubers and local subscribers who watch my channel if you guys interested. And then also gonna post a TikTok about it. So TikTok and Instagram, y'all follow me as well. So anyways, we're gonna head to rock climbing because it's to 7 and it starts at 7 p.m. and I wanted to get there a little bit early just in case. So let's head out. So I am home from rock climbing, and let's put it this way, my right hand is hurting me, okay? It's hurting me just a little bit, just a tad bit, but it was good. I had a decent time. You know, rock climbing, you just go, it's basically a form of exercise and it's great for upper body strength. So I am definitely gonna go back. It's just a few people there, probably like around 8 people. But it was pretty good. I'm definitely gonna go again with my group of friends. It was supposed to be myself alone, but my cousin texted me and said she's coming, so it was both of us that went. Yeah, so if you guys like want to do that, if you're kind of adventurous like me, you know, just check them out. Also, they do rappelling every Sundays as well, so that is pretty cool. So I'm definitely gonna be checking them out and then send them a message. I'm gonna talk to my group of friends and find out if that's something that they'd be interested in doing. I have done rappelling before in high school. I was a cadet, so you know, that's simple 1-2 for me. I love rappelling. I've been wanting to do rappelling, so I'm super glad that, because I was talking to one of the girls there and then she was the one that told me that they also do rappelling on Sundays. So I am pretty intrigued. I'll add the Instagram page if you guys are interested in doing rappelling. I'll add that Instagram page. It's different from the rock climbing. It's the same group, but they have different pages. But yeah, it was super fun. So I'm just here just watching a YouTube video, just chilling. We have a storm coming in, Melissa, so it's drizzling right now. It started to drizzle earlier. They did say by Friday it should turn into a hurricane. I pray it does not. It just stay a little beanie with a storm. We just get a little few rain and that's it. Like I don't know. No. The rain this season has been very active with a lot of rain, but we're praying and hoping it does not turn to a hurricane and it does not affect any other country too, because God. Nature, I tell you. Nature. Well, anyways, I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow, Thursday, or by weekend. No plans this weekend. Plus, I'm not gonna make any plans because we have a storm coming in. I did go to the supermarket today to grab a few stuff. I cooked rice and peas and chicken with cabbage today, so I'm gonna have that for the rest of the week. I'm gonna have that tomorrow as well. What else? Yeah, so the supermarket was like quite a bunch of people in the supermarket, and I know everybody's like impulse buying because of the storm that we're having, but I don't really need anything. I have a lot of tin food just in case. The only thing I didn't buy today is bread, but I don't really need any bread. I do have flour, so if I feel like I need some flour, I just make some fried dumpling. You know. So I am okay with the storm preparation. I'm good. I'm actually just looking at the TV. But anyways, you'll see your girl sometime. But yeah, the rock climbing. Just comment down below. Let me know if you guys would do rock climbing, or if you have done it before. If you would do rappelling, or if you have done it before. Like, come on, I'm adventurous. If you are adventurous too, just let me know. Yeah, that's back to my YouTube video.